Welcome back to the channel. I don't know about you, but I love a good roast pork. A roast pork with a sweet honey glaze. This one is simple. It's only 4 ingredients. Our key ingredient is the pork dry rub from the Kawartha Spice Company. It's a perfect balance of garlic, mustard, coriander, black pepper, rosemary, mint, sage, all the spices you need. First things first, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now that you've done that, let's get some pork. I originally wanted to do this with some pork shoulder, but the market was raided, so I had to settle for this pretty nice cut of pork loin. It's about 2 pounds. On to the marinade. Remember, it's only 4 ingredients. I'm mixing equal parts soy sauce with hoisin sauce, and to this I'm going to add some honey. Just give it all a nice stir. Once it's all mixed and the honey's thick in the marinade, I'm going to add a couple of teaspoons of the pork dry rub and whisk away. Now we're going to take our concoction and just simply pour it all over the pork. I'm going to cover this and refrigerate it for, well, 24 hours is ideal, but 48 hours is even better. Okay, now that it's dark outside, let's get ready to roast this pork. I have this pan that I absolutely love. It's primarily used for baking bacon, but it works really well for roasting pork. So I'm just going to take the pork out of the fridge and give it a final roll in the marinade and pop it right onto the pan. I'm adding about a half a cup of water to the bottom of the pan. This is primarily to prevent the fat that drips off from burning, and ultimately preventing my smoke detector from screaming at me. I have the oven set at 375 degrees. It's convection. If you don't have a convection oven, you might want to set the temperature slightly higher. The key to the glaze here is basting. It's been 15 minutes. I'll use the same concoction as the marinade, and I'm going to brush this roast every 7 minutes. Why 7? I think I like odd numbers. But really, I want to baste this 5 times and it's a 2-pound roast, so it needs to cook for about 50 minutes. So the first basting is at 15 minutes, followed by 4 more every 7 minutes, and then removing it at the 50-minute mark. Now that 50 minutes has passed and our pork has reached an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, we're gonna let it rest for at least 15 minutes before we cut into it. I have my super sharp knife, and I'm just going to slice this relatively thin. And that's it. You can just plate it and serve with your favorite sides. Before you eat, don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I was feeling a little snacky after I roasted this, so I thought I'd make myself a quick little sandwich before dinner. I know, right? Some bread, a few slices of pork, and a healthy dollop of coleslaw. Good little snack. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can also follow us on Instagram. Links in the description.